By the way, for everything you do, it just has to be in the ballpark, it has to be close. It doesn't have to be exact, right? Even if I draw this over again, it's not gonna be exact, like the little tiny curve on that line, stuff like that. Unless I point it out. I wanna connect it up. I'm gonna start a new line out here, a new line out here, and we're gonna go into the beard. Pull over here. Ooh, also, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like learning a little bit new about drawing every day, if you like learning a little bit of something every day, please consider subscribing. I post 3 simple, easy, beginner drawing lessons every single weekday. So Monday through Friday, I'm gonna post 3 per day. So that's 15 a week. When you subscribe, it's not gonna bombard you with videos. It'll probably tell you about every 4th video, maybe. So there's no downside to it. It's completely free. And if you find my stuff worth your time, please consider subscribing. It helps out the channel as far as the algorithm goes. And there's just nothing, there's all good. There's no bad side to it. But yeah, that is it. Let me move into this as well. So I'm gonna draw. I'm gonna have a mitten hand. One curve here and one large curve for the rest of the fingers. One curve here and one large curve for the rest of the fingers. And then I'm going to do that with the feet as well. I'm gonna pull. And I'm gonna put that little almost rounded rectangle there. That's gonna be the cuff of the shoes of the. Oh, I guess a cookie, right? Or like a sticker. While I'm doing this, I'll talk to you about the channel. The channel is like by far the most rewarding thing I've ever done. It's amazing. I started working on this because of the trouble this year, right? 2020. And I started staying inside a lot more. And I started, work on this channel a lot more. I have this channel for 6 years and I've never worked on it as much as I have now. And it's literally one of the best things I've ever done in my life, the best decisions ever to work on this as much as I can. Drawing, this part right here is super insanely easy and fun for me. It's easy because it's fun and I enjoy it and I love it. The hard part is the editing, where I have to take this and go over to the editor and like me, I have to edit the video and then I have to do stuff for the description. And that stuff is exhausting because I'm posting 3 videos per day, like every weekday. And it's just really, really exhausting. But if you do want to help, sharing the video is the best thing you can do, because when you share a video, it brings in this like flow of good energy, of good vibes. I noticed this in the comments. Like new people just come in and comment and, hey, what's up? And it's awesome. I love it. And that, when you do that, the reason I say it's the best thing you can do to share a video is because it literally makes it worth it for me. I'm just like, you know what? This editing is hard and I'm exhausted, but it really, truly is worth it to me when I get that vibe in. It really is. And that's why I say the best thing you can ever do, if you do like the channel, and if you do, appreciate the stuff I do here, if you do like it, the best thing you can do is share it anywhere. Share it on Facebook. There's a share button, I believe, right? Share it on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, any of that stuff. Reddit, anywhere. It just helps. It helps the algorithm in general, and it's all around amazing. But that is it. I appreciate you watching this. If you did get to this point, do me a huge favor and comment hi, and I'll know that you got to this point. And that is it. This has been Easy Pictures to Draw. I will see you later.